Imagine waking up to a message on your phone, not from your boss, not from your credit card company, but from your broker. 8,200 rupees, credited as dividend. That's your money, working harder than ever. These are the kinds of stocks that don't just grow in value, they literally pay you back for owning them. And today, I'll show you 5 Indian dividend giants for 2025, one of them pays more than most fixed deposits. But the last one, no one's talking about it yet. Most investors chase stock prices, but real wealth comes quietly, through dividends. When a company shares its profit with you, it's saying, we've earned enough, and you deserve a part of it. Stay with me, because stock number 3 in this list pays out more than 9%, and it's not the one you think. First up, ITC. The stock everyone loves to joke about, but quietly, it's been minting money for patient investors. With a yield near 4.3% and nearly 2 decades of steady payouts, ITC proves boring can be brilliant. But our next company, it's government-backed, cash-rich, and rewarding shareholders like never before. Coal India, not glamorous, but insanely profitable. With one of the highest dividend yields in the country, it's practically a government-backed passive income source. But stock number 3 is hiding in plain sight, quietly beating Coal India's yield. Power Grid, the backbone of India's energy infrastructure. Solid, dependable, and rewarding. Hindustan Zinc, a metal giant with a golden heart for dividends. REC Limited, the dark horse. Government-backed, high yield, and surprisingly under the radar. So which one of these could actually pay you every single month in 2025? Let's connect the dots. If your money isn't working for you, you're working twice as hard. Start small, reinvest dividends, and in a few years, your stocks could pay your bills. In the next video, I'll show you exactly how to build your own 1 lakh rupees dividend portfolio for 2025. Don't miss it.